Hey, what's up, guys? Well, I'm really not sure what my plans are for today, but I got got the passenger side floor pan in from, I forgot what website I ordered it from, but they said it'll ship tomorrow. Well, that was last Wednesday, and today's Friday, October 29th. So I'm a passenger side in. I don't have the welder or anything that I get to I'm using, but this is just a mock fit, needless to say. But my plan for today is to do a complete clean out of this, and when I get the welder, then I'll take that off. But until then, I'm gonna take everything else off, wheel wells. I didn't do wheel wells today, but wheel wells, all the wiring. I'm gonna leave him for right now. Try taking the window motor off, but I gotta take the cowling off, and I didn't realize that. So once I get to that part, I'll take the cowling off, which looks like it is 1, 2, 3, like 5 or 6 6mm or 8mm bolts. So once I get there, I'll get there, but I'm in no complete rush this second to get to it. But I still have the cat and manifold sitting here, so gotta post that up. But not sure if I showed this, but that's how that was when I was driving it. So it was technically a header dump, manifold dump, I guess you could say. But right now I just have nothing planned, but except for taking some steel fender liners out, and everything else. I already took overflow out and washer fluid reservoir out, and a few other things, but I mean, I have no real plans for this for today. I'm working on this thing, but we just gotta see. But when I realize what I'm doing more, I mean, it's been overcast and raining most of the day when I was at work. So once I realize what I'm doing today, I'll do more of an update. But until then, I'm just gonna be doing a deep clean on that, and cleaning all this up and prepping for doing that. But just my main concern right now is cleaning up in here. I'm debating on pulling the dash and doing that. I'm not sure if I will or not, but if I do, today will be the day on deciding that factor. But I doubt I will. But when once I realize more what I'm doing, I will. Well, it's about 6:30, and I did something. I completed, for the most part, I completely tore down the fender wells, both fender wells. I haven't disconnected you yet, because you go right there. I just don't feel like pulling. There's nothing around. I was gonna pull you out, but I gotta take the cowling off. I got sidetracked. He's not gonna get taken out until I get a welder, because I want to immediately take him off, and within an hour or two, I want to weld up a piece of metal just to cover it all up. I got it all done. So, yay! But mosquitoes are getting really bad. This thing tried to catch fire once, twice, or 3 times. So that's doing one of those. So I'm glad I reuse him, because I was gonna try and get him to taillights, headlights, and everything like that. But after that, I'm definitely not gonna use him. Here's what I'm trying to get you guys a good view. Here's what the panel looks like. So the body control module, or whatever you want to call it, for this is looking like. Rust is looking worse and worse each day, but that's nothing. That's nothing I'm too terribly afraid of. Like I said, I cleaned this whole thing out, so I'm sure it looks way different than what it did because it was completely dirty and there was a floor on that side. Still waiting on damn Summit Racing. I'm trying to break through. Still waiting on Summit to ship out my floor pan for this side when they said, well, it's shipping from manufacturers, so I'm really riding on them. But it says on their website, ships out tomorrow. That was last week. So I really just the waiting game at this point. So it's fine. It's no complete rush, but every day I'm finding more and more and more rust. So, but I believe tomorrow, here's our garage. I believe tomorrow, at least I am, it's a regular height garage, so I can't put a lift in, but it's this whole thing needs to get cleaned. Yes, don't worry. This whole thing needs to get cleaned, so I believe that's what I'm doing tomorrow. So well, mosquitoes are getting bad, but that's it for tonight. So